When you're making a screencast, you may want the students to be able to see you. If I go ahead and start up a screencast, I'll make sure that my webcam is on, and I'll just record this browser tab. And here you'll notice my image in the lower right-hand corner. If I need to show something in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, I can just mouse over, get the four-headed arrow, and move my image to another portion of the screen that won't be as intrusive. I can also make my image bigger or smaller. If I find a corner, notice how I get the diagonal two-headed arrow, I can go ahead and make that larger or smaller. So it can take up more or less of the screen. I can make it full screen with this, or I can flip with this button. For example, I am waving my right hand, though to you it looks like my left hand. If I were to flip it, now I'm waving without the mirror. If you have more than one camera, that's what this camera is about. I can click it and choose a different camera to present. When I'm done, I just go ahead and stop recording.